Old La Salle evacuation orders still in effect. Zone 1 and 2 set status with only residents being allowed to enter through Geyser Pass or Taylor Flats Road. 34. Current evacuation orders, go status, remain in place. Zone 6, remains the same go status. But residents of Mountain Shadows, Lower Highway 46 and Hang Dog will have access and will be allowed to stay. These 3 areas will be at set status. The rest of Zone 6, Peaceful Valley, will still be on go. Zone 5, 7, 8 ready. Please follow evacuation orders. For more information, follow the San Juan County Sheriff's Office Facebook page.